All right, now that we've got our peppers down, we are going to bring in some red onions here. These are my favorite on pizza. I know some people like white, so you are more than welcome to use whatever. But guys, look at the way I'm making this pizza. It is totally backwards. And I'm telling you right now, it's gonna work. You are absolutely going to love the way this pizza comes out. So I've got some cooked sausage here, and this is hot because I like everything spicy. But of course, use mild if you want. Pepperoni, because you can't have pizza without pepperoni. Just gonna layer this all over. This is the only way I make homemade pizza now, which is absolutely crazy. I never thought I'd be making it like this, but wait till you see. Delicious. All right, that looks pretty good. Bring in some sauce. Now this sauce, homemade, I am so happy with myself. If you guys want a homemade recipe for a yummy pizza sauce, let me know and I will post that. It is so easy to make. All right, I'm gonna do my best to kind of spread that around a little. And lastly, cheese. Of course, you can't have pizza without the cheese here. So we are just gonna layer this all over, and I like lots and lots of cheese. So I'm gonna go a little heavy-handed on this, but. And then our last topping, the dough. Wait till you see this little trick. It's not a pretty trick, but it's a trick. All right, so I've got my pizza dough here that I'm trying to get into a perfect circle, but it's not working, and that's okay. We are just going to lay it down and spread it out as needed. Now the trick, you want to make sure that you get it kind of tucked underneath. That's where the trick comes in. Like I said, it's not pretty and it's not easy, but it is a trick. Need be, put a little powder on your hands too. I find that works. All right, just layer that in. Tuck it all under. All right, good enough. So we are going to put this in the oven at 450 for about 20 minutes, just until this is nice and golden brown. All right, this is good to go, guys. Nice and, I don't know if you can hear any of that, but it's nice and crispy. This, oh, it's gonna be so good. All right, here's the hard part. We have to flip this. It's not gonna be pretty. It's not gonna be fun for me, but we're gonna do it. All right, guys, you and me, we're looking at this together. Let's see how this came out. Look at this, delicious. It's missing a little bit of a pepper. Let's see. All right, there we go. It was our crispy little pepper here that got left over. We'll just plop him back, good to go. Look at this though, guys. See, this is how you make pizza. Now this is a nice thick crust. I don't know if you guys like that or if you like the thin crust. Oh my gosh, guys. This is way too hot for me to try. So when it cools off, I will be eating probably this whole thing. So let me know if you guys try this. I want to see all of these upside down pizzas. Let me know, guys.